Assalamu alaikum everybody, this is my 61st algorithm video. In this task we are given two lists, list 1 and list 2. We need to merge these lists into a new list, and the new list would be in an ascending order. For this purpose we would be using two pointers. Now first I will explain to you the pseudocode. The zero values assigned to both pointer 1 and pointer 2 represent the index numbers. So at index number 0 for both list 1 and list 2 we have 5 and 10. 5 is less than 10, so we put 5 in the merged list and we shift pointer 2 towards 1 index. Now when we compare 10 and 18, because 10 is at 0 index and 18 is at 1 index, 10 is lesser than 18. So we put 10 in the merged list and pointer 1 shifts towards 1 index. Now when we compare 12 and 18, 12 is smaller than 18, so we put 12 in merged list and pointer 1 shifts towards second index. Now we should take notice that pointer 2 has moved towards second index, but there is no value of list 1 at second index. So this gives us a flag, this gives us an indication that we should stop the comparison between list 1 and list 2, and by default we should put the remaining elements of list 2 into the merged list. So this is our result. We have merged these two lists into an ascending order. Now let's get to making that actual algorithm. I make the merged list blank again and I assign 0 values to both list pointer 1 and pointer 2. While true, if list 1 pointer 1 is less than list 2 pointer 2. Basically I would be comparing the value of list 1 at a particular index with the value of list 2 at a particular index. If list 1 value is lesser than the list 2 value, then I put list 1 value into the merged list and I append pointer 1 by 1 point. Else, if list 2 value is lesser than the list 1 value at a particular index, then I append list 2 value into the merged list and I append pointer 2 by 1 point. I also check if pointer 1 is now equal to the length of the list 1 or pointer 2 has become equivalent to the length of the list 2. I break out of the while loop. Once out of the while loop, I would check if length of list 2 is greater than the length of list 1. I would be slicing the list, list 2. It would start from pointer 2 and it would go till the end of the list 2, and I would add this slicing list into the merged list. Alternatively, if the length of list 1 is greater than the length of list 2, then again slicing of the list would be done. List 1, it would start from pointer 1 and it will go to the end of the length of list 1, and I would add the slicing list into the merged list. Now in the end I would be printing the merged list. So this is our result. We have effectively merged these two lists into a merged list, and the merged list contain numbers in an ascending order. Now let me change the question to show another example for you. 0 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 9. And now this is the result as shown by Python. 0 1 2 3 5 6 7 8 9. How? Let me explain. So at 0 index we compare 0 and 5. 0 is the lesser one in comparison to 5, so we put 0 in the merged list and pointer 1 shifts towards 1 index. Now when we compare 1 and 5, 1 is smaller than 5, so we put 1 in the merged list and pointer 1 shifts towards second index. Now when we compare 2 and 5, 2 is smaller than 5, so we put 2 in the merged list and pointer 1 shifts towards third index, sorry. Now when we compare 3 and 5, 3 is smaller than 5, so we put 3 in the merged list and pointer 1 shifts towards fourth index. Now there are no more values of list 1 at fourth index, so we stop the comparison between list 1 and list 2 and we put the remaining elements of list 2 in the merged list. So it would be 5 6 7 8 9. And so this is the result. I hope you like my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.